Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jack in Kentucky on this RCI-2970n2. Jack got it ready to go for you, bud. You got your amp on-off switch right here on the back, as well as the RCA jack for the installed amp keyer relay that we put inside. Did our tune and alignment to it. Let me get right to it. RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. 5 watts. Over here, the 250-watt slug. It's 50 watts all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 125 bird. Peak power. Hello. Puts that 250 watt right in the corner. Alright, Jack, I hope you enjoy it. We'll send this and all your other goodies right to you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.